I trained this AI to walk with help of GPT-4. I will use this as my AI model. I imported him into Unity. First step is to make him affected by physics. For this, I separated all of his body parts and made each of them physically simulated. Now if I turn off animations, the physics simulation will activate. As the next step, I started coding AI brain for him. The way he walks is by rotating his body parts. He must learn how to rotate his joints to keep walking forward and not fall over. He gets rewarded for getting closer to the target and punished when touches the ground with any body part that is not feet. But I had trouble coding this complex AI, so I asked GPT-4 to help me. GPT-4 is currently the most advanced artificial intelligence on the planet, and it can do many things that a human expert can do. I told him to code AI for my walking zombie. This is what he did. Well, there are some problems there. What is this? Why are these two parts connected? What? A few of his limbs are falling apart. If I can fix it, I have working AI. First, I asked GPT-4 to fix the issue. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Then I noticed that I forgot to lock the position of the head and the limbs. Lock, limit, lock. Now the head shouldn't move. I needed to put yes! Then I locked the position of the arms as well. Okay. After that, I wrote the AI hyperparameters, which determine how the AI will train, and I started the training. Oh wait, that's not good. I kept fixing things, but new issues kept popping up. I think if I put 0 here... Why is he bending it sideways? Oh! The problem with his leg was that I messed up the code, so it was rotating around the wrong axis. This is my programming mistake. What did I do to him? Need to go into direction -1 here. Yes, okay, now it's better. After I fixed that, everything worked properly, so he started to learn. This cube is his target. He needs to walk towards this cube and touch it. If he does it, he gets +1 reward. In the beginning, he didn't know how to do anything, he just kept falling over. But after 1 hour of training, he was able to at least fall towards the cube. He is pushing himself towards the cube. After 2 hours of training, he learned to push himself even closer to the cube while falling. Then he learned to walk a step or two before falling. Looks like he can jump into it. After a few more hours of training, he was able to make quite a few steps towards the cube. And after 9 hours of training, this happened. He was able to walk towards the cube pretty well. Oh, okay. He was also able to change the direction towards the cube quite well when I moved it. Sometimes I would move it, but he would still get it. Oh, wait, he got it. This is his final 4 after 9 hours of training. He was able to completely reach the cube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.